thank you for watching avivTarot, and today we are going to do another flip through and deck review of this Mystical Cats Tarot. I actually bought this for a while, but I haven't done a deck review yet. Like for a while, like a couple months. I actually literally just opened it. These are the wraps. If you want to experience the unwrapping of the saran wrap, you can check out the Chinese deck review of this deck. But anyways, let's take a look at the inside. This is the, the, what do you call this, magnetic box, which I kind of like, but the box does get in the way when you try to store them. It takes up a lot of space. So, but it is very nice. It keeps it in this spot, like safe. So now there's a booklet. It's quite thick. There is a matching dog version of this deck. So this is the Mystical Cats, and I think there's a Mystical Dogs Tarot as well. And I believe I might have done a deck review for that deck too. But if I didn't, just let me know and I'll do a deck review for that one as well. So the booklet is in black and white, but it gives you the advice, which is the upright meaning, and then also if the card is reversed, it gives you a short description of the reversal meaning. So that's the booklet. It's quite thick. And then the deck itself, it's very let me zoom in. It's very thin. Okay, it's on the thin side, as you can see, right? So it's very thin. I mean, if you were to shuffle it, it probably will be easy to shuffle since it's soft. But if you use too much force, you probably will put dents into the card itself. So this is the back side, or like lines and creases into the card. It is glossy, okay, like a semi-gloss, as you can see, right? And it's a regular tarot size. I have small hands, so it's a regular small size. Like for my hand, it can still hold it. It's a little, like I can't, barely, okay. All right, so let's do the flip through. I don't have much to say about the deck itself because it's very, very similar to the dog's version if you have a dog one, the deck. But if you're a cat lover, this is a perfect deck for you. I also did a review on a black cat tarot cards deck. You could check that out. That one is all black cats, whereas this one is various types of cats. But it's very, very cute. Well, there's a spirit coming out. Demon cat. Good kitty. This is the judgment card, and it's called the Good Kitty. All right, so the suits, they go by the element's name instead of pentacle, cups, swords, that type of thing. So this is the fire. Fire is always the same, or wands, usually it's called wands, and this one is called the fire element. It's kind of interesting. 9 of fire, they all gather together. So there's like more of a discussion type of feel. And then right, I was like, oh my gosh, it's missing a card. Okay, so it's fire kitten for page, for the pages. So all the kittens are the pages, and then there's the tom for the knights. Okay, fire tom for the knights, and then the queen and the king is the same. So here's the ace of sea. Oh yeah, they don't use water, they say. They use sea for this one, for the cups and the water suit. So sea kitten, sea tom, and the queen and the king. And then this one is called the sky instead of wind element. It's called the sky. Nine of sky, 10 of swords, sky kitten, sky tom. It's kind of like mean. Sky queen is kind of interesting because she's kind of hidden in the tree branches. Sky king, and then the earth element, ace of earth for the pentacle suit, for the coins. And that's all 78 cards in this deck for you. Alright, so if you're a cat lover or you're thinking about getting this deck and you're not sure, I hope this review helps you decide. And the link that the place that I found that is the cheapest is magic.com to purchase this this deck. I look into like eBay, Amazon, or Book Depository. They're usually like, I think they're over $30 for this deck. But magic.com is the cheapest that I could find. And if you use the link that I gave you down in the description box, there is a 5% off on top of that price. So I would recommend magic.com if you're in the States. If you're in elsewhere, then maybe your local tarot store or Amazon Book Depository might be a better choice. And that's it. Let me know if you have anything you would like to share with me. You can leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to my channel under my video, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.